Google just nailed it with the new 48 megapixel sensor on the Pixel 7 Pro. The new software features along with the machine learning improvement. Pixel 7 Pro is on another level with the videography, not just the zoom, but the colors are more saturated and well preserved, just like we got on the usual Pixel devices. But one thing is to mention, while doing a zoom on the Pixel 7 Pro, the switching between the cameras are incredibly smooth. Why we are so excited about this? Well, this time it can show 30 time digital zoom instead of the 20x on the Pixel 6 Pro. And if you are concerned what will happen if you record under the sun, whether it's going to be heat up or not, well, the answer is no. Google optimized the Pixel 7 Pro enough to work for the long hours without getting heat up, so you can expect a better battery backup on the Pixel 7 Pro. The noise reduction is really good compared to the last generation and even better than the most Android smartphone. This is why Google is the best in the game when it comes to camera, and also the new optical image stabilization in both the main sensor and the telephoto makes it even better while shooting a video. And the new cinematic blur with the video also works fine like with the non-living objects, which means that this is going to be compete with the likes of new cinematic mode in the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Although this is an early stage of the software, and with the time after some update, this will work even better. The picture on the Pixel 7 Pro also looks great with the perfect saturation and lighting, even with the board 2x and 5x zoom. But look at the depth with the 5x on the Pixel 7 Pro. This 5x shot is taken with the new 48 megapixel optical zoom, which is why it produced the high quality images. But if you look at the new 2x zoom shot, Google did something with this. It actually take this shot with the 50 megapixel but crop it to the 12 megapixel to produce the high quality images out of the Pixel 7 Pro. If you are for the software features, then Pixel 7 Pro also brings some significant changes. It added in a new feature like the unblur, which if you have in a picture which is going to be slightly blurry, you can actually fix it with this feature just with a single click. And if you are wondering how this is going to be happening, well, the Tensor G2 chipset is the one that is handling all these processors smoothly with the new Android 13. Note that the things are getting stable for the Pixel devices and hoping to get a great battery life of the Pixel 7 Pro. Now, if you wanted to pre-order the device, well, Pixel 7 Pro, there is a couple of pre-order deals available, which in some countries even include the Pixel Watch, which is worth $349. If you want to see the comparison between the S22 Ultra and the Pixel 7 Pro, here is the video. You can check out that as well. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.